Today, we're going to talk about a smarter path to eye surgery, one where you can get absolutely world-class care, but without that massive price tag or an endless wait. So let's just dive right in. If you are even thinking about eye surgery or lens replacement in the UK, just stop for a second. Seriously, before you go and book a private clinic or get on a waiting list that's years long, you really need to see this. You know, for patients in the UK, the road to getting clear vision can be, well, it's a really tough one. You're pretty much forced to make a big compromise one way or another.
Look at it this way. On one side, you've got public healthcare. You can join the list, but you could be waiting for months, sometimes even years. And on the other side, you can go private, but the costs can skyrocket to £7,000 for both eyes. It's a really difficult choice between your time and your money.
And on top of all that, even if you do go private, your choice of the most advanced premium lenses is often really limited. So you might miss out on the lenses that could correct your astigmatism or let you see clearly at every distance. You could end up with a standard solution that just doesn't quite fit your lifestyle. But there is an alternative, and we're talking about the Czech Republic, specifically Prague. It's become this top-tier destination for patients who want high-quality care without having to make any of those compromises. And here's the best part. Patients can save anywhere from 50 to 70% on their surgery. And that's not just the surgery itself. That saving often includes the cost of flights and a hotel too. It's huge. So, of course, the big question is, how is that even possible without cutting corners on quality? Let's break down exactly why a lower cost doesn't mean lower standards. Well, since the Czech Republic is in the EU, it operates under the exact same strict healthcare regulations as the UK. But look at the difference. Waiting times drop from months or years down to just days or weeks. The clinics there are investing in the absolute latest technology, like Zeiss, and, this is crucial, they provide access to a whole wide range of premium lenses. And the expertise is a huge factor too. I mean, surgeons in Prague perform thousands of these procedures every single year. All that experience, combined with international training and the best techniques, has built this incredible track record of amazing results. Okay, so what does this whole journey actually look like for someone like you? Well, it's designed to be completely seamless. You've got providers who organize the entire experience from the moment you start to the moment you get home. It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, it all starts with a free online consultation where you get an expert recommendation. Next, you take a planned 5-day trip to Prague for your treatment. And finally, you return home with full aftercare support to back you up. Simple as that. You know, one of the biggest worries people have about medical travel is feeling like you're navigating it all alone. But here you have a personal English-speaking consultant with you for every single step. This completely removes any language barriers and just makes the whole thing feel organized and totally stress-free. And you can really see this in what patients are saying. Sarah T said, "Clearsight Abroad made everything seamless. Highly recommends for anyone considering eye surgery abroad." It's that feeling of being totally supported that really makes all the difference. So let's bring this all together. What are the key takeaways here? What does this all mean for you? It's really about getting the vision you want without having to make a single compromise on quality, time, or cost. So when you look at it, the choice is pretty clear. You get premium lenses that are actually tailored to your life. You get treated by expert surgeons who are using the latest tech. You get to skip those ridiculous waiting lists. And you save 50 to 70% on the total cost. It's a win-win-win. So this really leaves you with one final question. Are you ready to see a clearer future without having to choose between getting world-class care and being able to afford it? Look, don't compromise on your vision and don't overpay for your care. Just visit the link down in the description and get your free consultation today. Your perfect vision could be waiting for you in Prague.